he cookies. Welcome back. And today, guys, my food is a little bit better. My mom gave me some sauce, so it kind of helps. So today, guys,
dude, that would be
I still my lip on my nose every night. It kind of bothers me. But so, guys, if you have an Android, and I know this works on Apple too.
No, you need the headshots.
And if you need, in case you guys don't know, Super Mario is actually coming to Android finally. I love this game. I'm gonna get it as soon as I can. I'm gonna buy it too. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get the free game too. So you guys just gotta sit back and relax until it's time. So, and then now if you want to get your phone cleaned up very easily, just look up Super. Hold on, I want to see what this pops up.
My third pistol.
Okay, let's look up Clean Master. Clean Master. Okay. And then this pops up the antivirus. I know this one's on. It says new 2017. I don't know if it has that on Apple, but tell me in the description below. And if you guys want to see videos, just install it real quick. And then if you want to see my videos early, hit the bell down there somewhere. So I'm going to click on antivirus. So scan real quick. Sorry about that. My God, my nose is killing me. Okay, now I'm good with that. So let's go to my junk files. So look at that.
Chaka.
So it's going to delete the junk files. I just cleared out 2.13 gigabytes. That's kind of a lot. So ACPU clear. I don't know if it actually works, but I think it's like a thing. So now we're gonna go boost my phone. Hold on. That's it for this guy's video. That's how you clean your phone out. So if you have a virus or anything, it can tell you, but it still does pop up. Like whatever pops up there. And thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe. And so guys, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do some cool stuff. Oh, so guys. Like,
dude, it took like so. Dude, you had like.
I teach you how to watch my videos quicker. I already told it, but it's down there somewhere. So just hit the subscribe button first, then hit the bell button because you gotta hit the subscribe button, then the bell button to make it work. To see my videos early because there's this glitch in YouTube for some reason. And that's how it makes it glitch, so you have to wait for a while, like 2 hours or so. And thank you guys for watching. Peace out. Leave a like and subscribe. And I'll make another video tonight after I post this. Bye.